Good day, investors. Welcome to the 5th of February 2015 market report. Due to technical problems, I'm waiting for the latest newsletter for today. But going on forward, the Dow Jones closed 305 points positive on Tuesday evening. This was the close for Monday, and they had a big jump to this green line here for Tuesday evening of 305 points. And a level of 17,670 points plus minus. The major reason for this upward movement was oil prices that went from about $47 to almost $52, almost a 7% rise in oil Brent crude prices, and that led these markets to go physically much higher. Now, looking at this chart here of the Dow Jones Industrials, this is the negative channel going down. So they went to the top of this channel here currently, and they close to this red line on the top. So the big question here is, currently the futures are very, very flat, then positive, then a bit negative, then positive, then a bit negative. We need to track this traction quite closely at this moment. Huge movements in the Dow, one day up, one day down. And we need to see if this is going to be a bounce on the high going down again, or a break up. Now, for a breakup to occur on this specific index, do you see this level of 17,813 points? Now, that high needs to be broken. Now, if you do this calmly and you add this level here, 17,800, that blue line, at any time if it breaks this upwards, then this downward momentum will physically start pushing upwards, and it could go back to the 18,000 and higher. So this 17,800 is very crucial to watch. Looking at the J200, now this is the top 40 shares on the JSE. This was the downward momentum. Now this is the upward momentum. It broke the tops of 45,200 and currently trading 45,700. It went about another 500 points higher yesterday. So looking at this on this 46,000 points, you can actually see there's a lot of movement still due here to the 46,100. Now, looking at today's movement so far, it's trading here to almost the 46,000 level at this moment. So it did open much more higher this morning, about 200 points higher. So this 46,000 points are going to be the next high, 46,001, the next high to be tested. But keep a close eye on the Dow Jones movement. Looking at some shares in the market itself. Now, ShopRite did very well in the positive channel. Did come down a bit, trading at 182, had a previous high of almost 189. So it's still in a positive channel. Retailers did tend to lose a bit of momentum. You can see it on Mr. Price as well. Came a bit down, testing this 260 rand level. So look at this beautiful leg, shoulder, head, shoulder. For this pattern to complete, to go physically downwards, this 255 level needs to be broken down. But otherwise, still in a positive channel. Looking at this Willies as well, look at this pattern. Leg, shoulder, head. Now, it could be a form of a shoulder here. If it breaks this 84 rand level down, more downside could be due. But still in a positive channel. So we need to wait for these movements to happen. Even if you look at Truworths, now Truworths had a beautiful upward yesterday. Even the Foschini Group had a beautiful upward movement yesterday, trading at 170 rand, still above this green and red movement upwards here. Looking at the banking sectors, they did move up a bit, but still in a positive channel between the green and the red Bollinger Bands upwards. This 188 rand is a big support level, but the share can still move here from 192 back to the 199 levels, and most probably break levels again. The same with Standard Bank. Banking sectors did very well yesterday. There's the upward channel. We started to speak about this share about 146 rand, currently trading at 160 rand on this higher in a positive channel. So we need to see how this could perform as well. MTN. Well, a surprise on MTN yesterday was at 204, 205, and it broke up another 5 rand, almost 466, and it's testing this 210 level. Now, short term, this 211, 212.64, that's the high that needs to be tested. If it can break this 212.64, definitely could be a change of a channel going upwards, and that if oil goes higher. Looking at Vodacom, lost a bit of momentum the last 2 days in trading. There's 133 as support. Need to see if it can break this 137 and go higher. But this is the current support in the share. Investec, share that I'm tracking very closely, sitting at 97.79. Previous high was 99. Not a lot of movement. The bands are still going a bit sideways. So the current trading range is about 97.99, 97.99 at this stage. Imperial did very well. And this is something, not Impala, Imperial did very well, and you need to track this one closely as well. Green, red, positive channel going upwards, testing this previous highs here, 1, 2, 3, and you can see it there on close to the 203 level. Next high expectation is 210. We need to see if this share breaks to 200, definitely confirmed with 196 more downside, but it's still doing well. The last share that I'm tracking very closely is Exxaro. As you can see, 102, 109, 102, 109. Now this share went up yesterday 422, and it had a high of 109.08. If you can look at the left side of this bottom, so we need to see if this is going to be a break down again or a break up now on this reversal. Well, quite interesting market, a lot to look at, and let's see how it plays out. Enjoy trading.